So, ayan, titigan lang natin yung motor ni sir, no? So, napakakinis nito. Kala ko nga brand new eh. Good day guys, no? So, ito meron naman tayong Honda Click 160 dito na i-convert natin to full braking system upgrade. Alright? So, ito, no? Kinis ng motor ni sir. So, yung SP800 niya, naka-install na agad, no? Pinakabit niya na. Then, yung kanyang PCX 160 na swing arm, yan. Naka-install na din. Powder coated na ng black, no? So, balikan na lang namin kayo, guys, after namin itong gawin. Alright guys, no? So ito nga, natapos na tayo sa ginagawa nating Honda Click 160 kanina. So ito, quick tour ko lang kayo kung ano yung mga ginawa natin dito, no? So for the brake master, ayan, RCBE 3 Plus, no? So unang customer natin ito na nagpa-install ng RCBE 3 Plus. So ayan, left and right yan. Then, ang kanyang head cowling, Vario ABS na head cowling. Alright. For the front naman, no, ang ginamit natin is RCBE series na caliper, then TRC na braided hose, 260mm na caliper disc with ARM 260mm bracket. Mugs natin is, by the way, is RCB SP800. So dito naman tayo sa rear, no. So for the swing arm, ang ginamit natin is swing arm ng PCX 160, body powder coated na yan na black, no. So ayan guys. Then ang disc natin is 220mm stock ng PCX. And then ang ating brake hose, TRC. Then repurpose na stock brake cable lamps, no. Ginawa natin brake hose na yan. Yun. And then ang ating caliper is RCBE series. Then special spacer, ayan guys. Alright, no. Ganda ng kulay ng mags ng boxing natin. Yun. So pre-wheel check natin yan guys, no. Alright, so pre-wheel naman tayo, no? Yun. So again guys, no, interesado sa ganitong setup, mag-PM lang kayo sa page Bikes and Bikes Customs. Thank you.